In this video, I'm going to look at expanding two sets of brackets. I like to call it the smiley face method. So when I see this two sets of brackets next to each other, we're going to expand them. We're going to draw in the lines. So I call these my eyebrows, my nose, and my mouth. So that's why I think it looks like a smiley face. And then I go through and do the multiplication for each of those. So I start with my eyebrows, that's A times C. Then I do my other eyebrow, is B times D. My smile is A times D. And my nose is B times C. So when I simplify that, A times C is AC, B times D is BD, A times D is AD, and B times C is BC. In the next example, I'm going to look where I don't just have letters in there, I've got letters and numbers. So starting with drawing in my smiley face, my eyebrows, nose, and mouth. And then I do my first eyebrow, A times A, my second one, 3 times 2, my smile, my mouth is A times 2, and then my nose is 3 times A. So that gives me A squared, 3 times 2 is 6, A times 2 is 2A, and 3 times A is 3A. I then want to collect my like terms. I always put my squared term first, just because I put my one with the highest power. Then I look at my A's. I've got 2A and 3A, so that's going to give me 5A, and then I put my 6 on the bottom. So my answer is A squared plus 5A plus 6. In the next example, I've got a plus and a minus, so I'm just going to show you the difference there. Starting the same way, draw in the eyebrows, draw in the nose, draw in the mouth. Then I'm going to do B times B for my first eyebrow. And then I've got plus 4 times negative 2. So I'm going to write a plus 4 times negative 2. And I'm going to come back when I simplify that and put in the negative. So I've got B times negative 2 here. And then I've got plus 4 times B. So my B times B is going to be my B squared. When I do 4 times negative 2, that's going to give me negative 8. So I'm just going to write minus 8 there. B times negative 2 is going to be negative 2b, so I'm going to write minus 2b. And then I've got plus 4b on the end. Now when I collect my like terms, my b squared goes first. I don't have any other b squareds. I've got minus 2b plus 4b. So overall, that's positive 2b. And then on the end, I've got minus 8. Now my last one here, I've got 2d and 3d in my brackets. So I'm going to show you what to do for those ones. Once again, drawing in the eyebrows, drawing in the nose, drawing in the mouth. First eyebrow, 2d times 3d. Second eyebrow, 3 times 4. Mouth is going to be 2d times 4. And the nose, 3 times 3d. 2d times 3d means I've got 6d squared. So that's the difference between the previous ones that we did. Then we've got 3 times 4 is 12. 2d times 4 is 8d, and 3 times 3d is 9d. So when I collect my like terms, I get 6d squared to start with. I've got plus 8d plus 9d is going to be plus 17d, and then I have the plus 12 on the end.